Yet another day this week, and today it's raining. Been raining all day long, and it sucks. I'd rather have it snowing, but I don't want to drive in the snow, so I guess I'll take rain today. It's been a busy day. A very aggravating, stressful, busy day. Driving people everywhere they need to go. I'm a chauffeur, I suppose. Too dang bad I don't get paid for it. Maybe that's where I'm going wrong. Yeah. But it's for family, so you know. That's all I gotta say on this gloomy, gross day. I can already tell it's getting colder. This went from pretty mild to pretty getting chilly, so. Anyways. All these people are picking up their children, so. Alrighty then. Anyways.